Good Sunday morning. So this will be the weekly preview for the week starting tonight, 21st of July until the 26th of July. Last week I was expecting dollar to come down here. It didn't. So now I don't think it will come down here. I think it will just go a little lower and then bounce up and clean out all these highs. It might even go higher, but for this week I'm looking at this move. Let's jump into the other chart and look at gold. Gold last week, and the last week was before this line. I was expecting gold to come to this level and then fall. It did go, it did react, but then it continued higher. So now I'm still thinking it will fall from 1431. That's the level I'll be looking to short. Aussie was pretty accurate last week. So at the start of the week, I had this level, 69.98, and it came in. You can see the video before. It came right into that and then continued higher. I think I added along the way in the fund, and then now I think it's going to bounce and come to this level. Now, because this Sunday, and when the market opened, this line will come to here. These horizontal lines and even the diagonal lines will be smashed in. So this will become vertical. This number will be just below here. So that doesn't mean I change the chart. It means that on the daily there are two candles missing, and on 4 hour, which is this, there are eight candles missing. So it will join this line to this line. So that's for Aussie. Euro, that's the level, 59.65. Well, I think it's gonna go. I got these two targets down here, and I'll see what happens during the week. This, if you recall, if you saw the video, I had that level, 46.98. It came to that level, just like Aussie, bounced, and it came back twice. I don't think it's going to go up because these moves already took out these highs. If it was going to go up, it would come up here. So I think it's going to bounce down from 46.62. This has it's more populated with info because I did a video on the markup. 90.13 would be the level I'd be looking as a short, taking out all this liquidity below. Euro yen. Last week I was expecting it to go higher and then move down. It didn't go that high. My shorting level would be 121.10, and the target is down there. This also didn't go up as high as I expected last week. It might still go up there, but I think it will just bounce off 12.52 or around that level. Pound Aussie also didn't go to my level last week. I was 7 pips shy of it. And I'm thinking it will go up before it goes down to 78.40 and then continue lower. Pound CAD. I've got the same level as that last week. It's in a range. So if you measure this, 3 touches on the top, 3 touches on the bottom. So this is a range. It might pop its head up above out of the range and then fall. So I'm keeping with that level 65.41. I think this was the level also from last week, this one, but also looking at this level. So if it doesn't look like it has strength to go up there, I'm thinking this level, just to clean out these highs, that's the level that it's probably going to turn and go lower. Cable, I had these levels last week, now I got this one. Anyway, I think it's going to go short. It's going to go down, so I'm looking to short around that level after it cleans up these 3 highs. New Zealand, this was the late level from last week. You can see it came. So this was the start of last week. This actually, this I think this was last week's line. This was middle week. So I sent in the group. I sent this level to go long while it was like this. I sent that level to go long. It just touched it, continue higher. And then on Friday I had this level, and now I got this level. So either it continues higher from here or it goes lower and continues up. This was last week's level. This is this week's thing. So a little higher and then continue lower. Same level as last week. Now this I was looking to short last week. It went there, gave me an entry. A couple of days later, a day later, went again to my level, to the next level I had, went short. Now I'm not thinking that it's going to go down here, but I think you'll still get another short. If you go short at 98.59 around that level, we should be getting out here. You'd be looking for a trade, say 80 pips, because I'm not sure now it's going to go down there. And lastly, yen. That was these were the 3 levels last week. It came into this level last week. I think it will not go up there, but it could go close and then continue lower. And the targets, well, because of that wick I showed in the last video, I'm not sure what the target will be. But anyway, this is the bounce. So that's it for the this week's review. Thanks everybody. If you're in the fun, don't